Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to trade call and put options in Charles Schwab options. So let's start with the first step, which is to open the options chain for a ticker. So log into schwab.com, go to trade, tap on options and enter a ticker like AAPL and load the option chain showing calls on the left and puts on the right. Next step is apply for option trading approval. So if your account isn't yet approved, you can go to accounts, tap on trading access and apply for at least level 2 to trade both calls and put including spreads. Next is pick a strike and expiration. So choose an expiration date. It can be weekly or monthly. Then click a call or put row on your chosen strike price to load it into the order ticket. Next step is fill in the order ticket. So set action to buy to open. Then tap on quantity and contacts. It can be 1 to 100 shares. So order type to limit, enter your max price, then click review order. So always put limit orders on options. Market orders can fill 20% worse than the mid price on the thin contracts. Lastly is monitor the position. So once filled, go to accounts, tap on positions to see the option under options with cost basis. So current price and unrealized gain or loss updated in real time. So you can set a mental exit at 50% profit or 50% loss before you enter. So options move fast and discipline beats hope every time. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!